Are you thinking about buying your next home, but worried that you might miss out on a great opportunity? Hi, Jaden here with the Tyler Miller team in eXp Realty, and I'm going to tell you a story. This story involves two different people. Person number one, let's call him Jaden. And Jaden is a very smart, intelligent person, and he is really looking to get educated in the market. So you know what he does? He picks up and calls Jaden with the Tyler Miller team and sets an appointment to meet and learn about the home buying process. Learn about what's going on in the current market and see if now is a good time for him to take advantage and not miss any opportunities. Well, he meets with Jaden, learns all about the home ownership process, and learns that interest rates are incredible right now. So he signs with Jaden, he's working with him, and lo and behold, they find a home in January. We go out to this home on the first day that it's listed, and we take a look at the property, and we find out this is the opportunity he's been waiting for. So Jaden gets to work, calls the listing agent, and makes it so Jaden gets this wonderful property in one day. Very good, Jaden. You took what you learned and you executed, and now you have the home of your dreams. All right, let's talk about scenario two. This person here is not the sharpest tool in the shed or the brightest bulb on the Christmas tree, if you know what I mean. Let's call this guy Tyler.
Oh, hey, what's up, buddy?
Hey, nothing.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
All right, man. See you later.
See ya.
Good luck with the video.
Uh-huh. See what I mean? So you guys know Tyler. He walks in late to the meeting. He calls Jaden 4 days after the home's been listed because he saw it on Zillow. So Jaden does what any good agent would do and gets to work. He calls the listing agent and he finds out that there's already 5 offers on the property and they're making the decision in 3 hours. Tyler decides that he doesn't want to go in a multiple offer situation. It kind of scares him away and he avoids getting this home. So be smart like Jaden and don't be a dodo face like Tyler. This is the Wisdom Wednesday for Wednesday, and as always, I'll see you when I see ya.